I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle. Well, you guys are seeing one of my unorganized secrets, and that is our garage. This house is not on a basement, it is on a slab, so we have to store everything in this garage pretty much. We do have a nice attic, but we take care of our own yard, so we have to store lawn equipment, fertilizer, all that good stuff, all goes in here. You can see here, we're finally making progress, but sit back, enjoy. I hope this motivates you, as I say later in the video, to just start a project that may seem very overwhelming like it did for me starting this garage, believe me. But this garage also gave me a lot of anxiety not having it done. And at the end, you guys, I tell you, this is still not a perfect space, but it really does make my mind feel less cluttered with everything just kind of at least feeling like it has somewhat of its own space. And the carloads of goodwill and the trip that I'm going to have to take to the dump tomorrow, actually, it was well worth it, guys. I'm telling you. So sit back, enjoy us as this was a team effort. My husband, Jeff, is in here. Our little boy kind of comes in here and there every once in a while, and enjoy. And I hope it motivates you.
'Cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind.
Hey guys, it's me. Jeff and I are very overwhelmed at how much stuff we actually had in this garage. But with all that said, I hope this motivated you to at least start a project, even if it is a larger one, and just know that you can take your time with it. It doesn't have to get all done at one time. Hope that it motivates you. I'll give you guys a nice after shot. We will definitely be organizing everything back here.
Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see.
This part of the video was actually filmed after dark. We did this in 2 parts. We tried to get everything in different categories. We put a lot of items up here on the workbench through the first part. We went and grabbed dinner, got re-energized, and now we're back here and we're organizing the toolbox and just clearing off that workbench area. And the end result, like I said, is not perfect, but I feel so much better now that it's done.
Words are deceiving, you move on.
did the final, I went ahead and we just went out and got some food and got some more energy, and then we finished up everything. So everybody's still slamming doors. This space is never going to be the perfect space. I mean, it is just, you know, we don't have a basement. We have to store things in here that we just need, and lawn stuff and all that, because we do our own yard, and it's just never going to be perfect. But I think that it is absolutely way better than it was before. So I'm happy with it. I hope this motivates you to do a space in your home that has been driving you crazy, or that it just seems overwhelming. You can do it. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Much love. Bye.